Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by establishing exact anchor points so the banner hangs flat and secure. First, measure the banner and mark the wall center. This prevents crooked alignment. Once marked, find studs with a stud finder. When none exist, plan for rated wall anchors to hold weight. Drill pilot holes at your marks and insert anchors or screws partly so you can hang and level easily. Make sure to wear gloves and clear the area to avoid mistakes as you move into mounting. You now secure the banner to the prepared anchors, working from one end to the other to prevent sag. Start by hanging one grommeted corner, then gently pull the banner taut and set the opposite corner. This distributes tension and reduces wrinkles. Once both ends are on, place a level across the top and tweak each fastener until the banner reads straight. For larger banners, add midpoints every 3 to 4 feet so the fabric won't bow. This is why spacing matters for longevity. You finish by systematically tightening fasteners while smoothing the banner to remove creases. Small, even adjustments prevent tearing. If edges still pull, add removable adhesive strips behind tension points to protect paint and improve hold. Once everything looks right, step back and inspect from different angles to ensure flatness. If you see sagging later, check that anchors are rated for the load and swap to higher capacity anchors. Replacing a weak anchor is the one fix.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.